One grease fitting later, and boom.
Wow.
All right, so look at all the schmutz and schmegma. That's what happens when you grease the car, but don't clean it up.
Well, instead of changing the parts, they just kept greasing it.
Yeah, well,
it's like, easier and faster.
And that...
Here, pull that and see what...
Barracks had underwear night.
Oh,
Jesus.
I'm never going again.
This week.
Tough crowd.
And it goes like this all the time.
A little dirt in there too.
Yeah, this is where those the little putty knives.
Oh, I was gonna say this is a light level of disgusting. Usually we get pretty.
I think Allie got some new putty knife scraper things. Actually.
Oh, Allie just bought some. Remember, she's like, I got all these. Allie, get your scrapers you just bought. Yeah.
We have maybe we could put this on something so we catch the grease.
Yeah, it's on the tray. It's fine.
Oh, all right.
Jesus.
Just clean the tray then.
Come on, you guys getting all fancy.
Where's that
over
garbage pail?
here. What is this? What are we getting all hoity-toity around here?
No.
All right, so
What size is that? An inch?
that's about
That's an ME6.
inch and a quarter. Yeah, you're gonna want to Uggy that though.
Well, look, where'd this come from?
Uggy
now?
and
And where'd that come from?
right here.
Where?
Here.
Sure?
Because there's the other one right here.
Oh, all right. Don't lose them.
Oh, Peter, come on, man.
Scrapers coming in.
Scrapers. Allie's got scrapers.
Oh, how are you, Mike?
I'm doing great.
Good.
So let's get a socket for this. I'm gonna say, what do you think, Wick? About an inch and a quarter?
Yeah.
Let's try an inch and a quarter.
The impact we got.
Big. Hopefully inch and a quarter.
Wait, just
You
put
want
it on the
us to
table?
put this up a little bit? Are you?
I know. I'm just right,
Yeah,
right on the
we
edge.
can.
It can go up in here.
Maybe
yeah.
like. I just kind of feel just.
Okay, a little bigger.
Inch and a half.
Well, you're close.
Yeah, inch and a half, inch and 3/4. Okay, so that hold that like
There you
that.
go. Because that's really bad on your back. And you're like,
I kept feeling it.
We're just trying to wear Gary out. We're breaking him in. Although we've had to crawl under an RV at the same time.
Yeah,
That
we got
wasn't
the
fun.
ghetto cruiser.
And we get to finish that next week.
That's right. That's gonna be a fun
The
one.
Ghetto Cruiser RV. I'm planning on being really filthy.
Either one of those works.
There it is.
Yep.
Inch and 3/8. That was my second guess.
That's huge.
It's a mega tool. What do you do? This just
What would
holds
you
up?
know about Mega Tools, Peter?
Oh, I know.
This is why we love Peter.
I've changed the front bearings on the
Hold that.
Eldorado.
Yeah, hold that really tight. I'm telling you.
Oh, jeez.
Like with your life.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Isn't that hard?
Came right off. That's a tool to have.
Yeah, that solved that problem.
Wow.
Now do the other side.
Man.
Second verse. Same as the first.
I gotta hold it again, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Tight.
please.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Ready?
What? No.
Stay on there, yeah. Because if you go off that, it's gonna go spinning. Ooh, almost.
Oh my. Come on. Don't be an asshole.
It's hard to get on.
And away we go.
I was trying not to fling grease everywhere.
Oh.
Now, there's your cross shaft for your upper control
look
arm.
at
Hold it up, Peter. Look at that. That's like Simba.
that. Simba.
So
look
these
basic,
will probably have to go in the vise and get drilled out. But before we do that, let's go get the other arm and get it all apart.
We gotta label this one.
Well,
No, it doesn't matter.
cross shaft, doesn't matter.
Let's.
Okay, you label it because you want to. It's your car and you can do it. It's your party, Peter.
Do you want me to get you a little box?
You can cry if you want to.
Yes.
A little box. Yeah, give me a little box. Because I don't want to mix. Don't miss anything up.
Oh, Gilbert was by this morning. He said hello.
That'd be good.
We did a little check engine.
Oh, did you get my?
I'm not fussy.
It's in the trailer. Just come by at
You know what's
lunchtime.
gonna happen as soon as I get the car? I'm gonna drive in a pile of things that'll wear dirty.
I saw it too. I go, oh, I gotta grab that.
You know.
I passed you this morning.
You told me too, yeah. Yeah, you scared me, by the way. I was half asleep.
Look at this. Is all frayed.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh. Is that string?
No, that's rubber that's worn. The F.
Oh, no.
There you go.
That's
Okay, so let's turn this over.
All right. We're getting
Andre,
the box.
scoot that over.
Hold on.
said the dog comes first. She was around before you were.
Hold on.
Jeez, Peter, look at you getting all.
Because my father was always like, you gotta label the boats. You gotta label everything. He's
That
watching.
works.
He's saying, you don't do it. I told you.
He's gonna be like, we told you so.
That's what I tell you.
Damn car, Peter, and I told you.
No, that's
all
the other one.
bolts.
The other one's their car.
We gotta take this off.
So you get the grease fitting out first. Remember,
Oh, okay. I'm kind of dirty.
Grease fitting? it's gonna be a kind of
All right,
dirty.
now let me see. Which way am I going here?
A rubber that slides over this thing?
No,
What does it do? How does it work?
There's a bush. Isn't there a bushing?
those are the bushings,
These are
and
the
there's
bushings.
rubber inside of these, and they're grease impregnated.
Yeah.
And the way these work is you set your tension on them because they're threaded, and that tightens or loosens. So you get it fairly tight. You don't want it like we were going ring a ding a ding a ding. You don't want it like
Are we gonna
that.
change
You
the
have to replace
fittings?
those?
Yes, we have those.
These?
Yeah, those come in the kit with these,
Oh, okay.
and these come in a kit.
How come we did it so easy?
Remember that time I sat there, Peter? We made a whole list.
I remember that.
Use the
Yeah.
crossbow.
Yes,
Yeah, you use
How come we did it so easy?
Yeah, but you're replacing this whole assembly. You're gonna take this apart.
we're replacing that whole
Oh,
assembly.
Okay, so you don't have to.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, that's gonna go bye bye.
Oh, you already got moving?
No, we're just gonna go in the box. We don't mix them up.
Yeah.
Then
So we'll get that apart. Then we'll get these out. Basically, we're gonna do the same thing we did on the other side. Anybody else want to play and take things apart in the group? Grant? Yeah, you've done a lot to take apart. So, Grant, go ahead and take apart.
Yeah, I mean, I already know how to do this shit, so.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's get the group in here that hasn't.
Okay, so we gotta get these off. Okay.
Well, at least you don't have to worry about this thing ever rusting.
It's hard to get off.
Right.
But that's the bonus of it all.
And then I
Besides
think
the rust that's underneath it. But
we'll start pressing bearings or bushings out. There you go.
damn, that was quick.
Yeah, not much, huh?
It's a super duper.
that's what she said.
God, Andre.
Hey, at least I didn't say he.
That's what he said.
I'm trying to be all inclusive.
You can't say he or she. You gotta say they.
Women need dick too.
Not the
Come on, they're
lesbians.
good.
Not the lesbians. We should have our lesbian neighbors.
They get strap-ons, so they want it too.
Our conversations are ridiculous around here, by the
And you're
way.
recording them, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's the best part. We can relive all this later. Peter's gonna be like, "Look at this video of me working on my car," and he's talking about strap-ons, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
I never thought in my life this would be happening. But
Look at you. You're working on things.
every time, Grant.
Yeah, you gotta just go one click and then.
You're going too far.
Peter, you know how it works. See one, do one, teach one.
I'm
I
buttoned
don't know
up.
how to scissor though.
I'm buttoned up.
Oh, we're not talking about lesbians.
Wait, what? Jesus.
That's just made up by South Park.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, okay.
enough. That's
Oh,
enough.
yeah, don't get it stuck in there.
Now it should
And
come
now it
right
should just
out.
fall right out. We're close. There it is. Done. Now look at that mess. So now let's get this apart, and then cleaning can commence. And then I'll get the upper arms over here. We can clean those too, and we can start on getting things kind of situated.
So let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Let me
we
make sure I
go.
got this on.
Yeah, make sure
Hold
you've
on.
got.
Hold on. Don't
And make
get
sure
me-
Peter's got a grip,
Get a grip.
because he'll launch that wrench and it'll take Andre out. You're just gonna aim for the same knee.
Ready?
I think so.
Go. There you go. Now you gotta do the other one.
Yeah, Glenn's like, if I see a package from Milwaukee show up, I'm gonna be
Yeah,
annoyed.
no.
Put your hand.
Trust me, you say that now, Glenn, you're gonna use it once and be like, oh, that was a good idea.
Yeah, but we don't really do enough.
And we got it.
No, we don't do enough to justify.
How much is it?
You put it in your car once and you get a flat and you change your tire in like
You change
37
tire with it,
seconds, it'll justify it.
I mean, they're only like 350
Because it's better than waiting for the dipshits at AAA.
Yeah,
Especially
especially
when
when
in your car, and then by the time you use it, the battery's dead.
That's why I have like 7 batteries for that. I actually have a 4-bay charger for those.
yeah, I like that.
You like that? That's an Amazon made in China
This is
special.
like cooked in there.
There you go. All right. So once that's clean, we'll drill those out. So you guys keep cleaning. Let's go get the lower arms, and we can get cranking on cleaning those too.